Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. Negative 1 over 4 times a minus 4 equals 7 over 4 times a minus 3. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. Subtract 7 over 4 times a from both sides to collect the variable terms on the left. That gives negative 2 times a minus 4 equals negative 3. Add 4 to both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives negative 2 times a equals 1. The variable coefficient is negative 2. Divide both sides by negative 2 to leave the variable alone. That gives a equals negative 0.5. Quick check. Substitute negative 0.5 for a. Both sides equal negative 31 over 8, so the equation balances. So, a equals negative 0.5.